शेनवार आमदार ग्लेन टिकलो हांच्यांनी हळदोन मतदारसंघातल्या 10वीच्या आणि 12वीच्या परीक्षेंत बरी कामगिरी केल्ल्या गुणवंत विद्यार्थ्यांचो भोवमान केलो. RDX ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
More than 80% of marks in the 12th and examination, in the 10th and examination. I have been introduced as the speaker, young speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly. In our parliamentary terminology, speaker is the one who speaks the least, and allow the other to speak more. So I am not going to speak much, but the student, those who have passed out their examination, with excellence, and felicitation function organized by the local MLA Glenn Ticolo is really to be appreciated. Because this is the encouragement for the students to excel in their future studies.
I was a very hard-working boy, but I was more into sports. So that's the reason I'm happy, and I realized that today somebody has to give them a push. And today, my dear students, if you have got 80%, yes, it's your effort. It's your willpower. But behind you, remember, is your parents. Today, parents, we all parents today, we know what satisfaction happiness gives us when our child does well. And that is exactly what you have done. And today, you probably, in future, you want to do something great. But passing 10th and 12th is just a stepping stone. As I always said, I remember when I got my black belt. Wow, I was, I was getting a lot of wishes, messages. I got a black belt. But for me, black belt was just like passing the 10th standard. But there, everything starts. Your first practice starts and getting power, getting a power, and really move maybe once you get a black belt. So black belt was nothing like something great, but it was a great achievement. It was effort, not easy to come there. Same, it was not easy for you because of 10, 12 with such remarkable efforts, but now you have to carry on.